In this video, I'll show you how to go ahead and fix Google Voice not available in your country. Now, the main reason this problem happens is because your location is outside the United States, and Google Voice is only available in the United States right now. So what you need to do is get this VPN. It's called Hotspot Shield. It's free. Okay. VPN. And you can just download this from the Chrome Web Store, right? If I scroll down, look at this one. Chrome Web Store, Hotspot Shield. So I'll come here and click on Add to Chrome. It's trusted by over 1 million people. Check out these ratings. Perfectly trusted. I have used it before. I've been using this for years. So, okay, there we go. It's downloading. And once it's done downloading, I'll just go ahead and pin this extension. Okay, there we go. It has downloaded. All right, so it's been added to my Chrome as well. So I'll come here, I'll pin this, and then all you need to do is come back to Google Voice. All right, click on this extension. And once this loads up, we'll go through this, click on next. All right. Okay, now I want you to click on connect right here. So it's going to connect to the United States. So click on no thanks. Now it says auto server. I can choose United States manually as well as the configuration, as you can see. And just refresh this page. And once you're done with this, you can go ahead and sign up, right? You can either click on personal use or for business use. Just go ahead and sign up and you will not face the issue. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.